Afternoon, everybody. We're gonna make Dog Team Tavern Sticky Buns. The first thing you need to do is get a cup of warm water and 2 teaspoons of yeast. You also need a half a cup of mashed potatoes. And when my yeast is ready, I'll be back. Okay, what you're gonna do is mix in your mashed potatoes. A beaten egg. A teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons, excuse me, of softened margarine, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And your yeast. And blend this up for a few minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, before we get to the next step, but your filling's gonna be a cup of maple syrup, some chopped pecans, some cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, so now you're gonna add your flour to this mixture till it makes a dough. It's 3 cups. You might need a little bit more, a little bit less. You just wanna have a nice soft dough. So I'll be back, and scrape your bowl halfway through. Okay, once your dough is done, you're gonna put this on a floured surface, and you're gonna knead for about 5 minutes. You want it to be soft and smooth. So I will be back as soon as I get mine kneaded. Okay, I got my dough. It's nice and soft. So now you're gonna roll this out. And you want it about 9 by 15, 16. So just start rolling it out, and I'll be back. Okay, I got mine done. So you need it like 9 by 15 rectangle. So you're gonna take 3 tablespoons of your butter, melted, and you're gonna start brushing it on your dough. Needs all the butter, so just keep putting it on. Then you're going to get a half a cup of sugar. Two of these. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, or 1 tablespoon, excuse me, 1 tablespoon. And you're gonna mix this all together. And then you're gonna place this on the buttered dough. So just sprinkle away. And when I get mine done, I'll be back. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is take a cup, oh no, before that, excuse me, you're gonna butter your pan really good. Okay, now you're gonna take a cup of maple syrup. Move everything around in this kitchen. And a cup of cold water. A half a cup of cold water. Put this in a bowl because you're going to stir it a little. Then you're going to pour it on the bottom, Then you're going to get about a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts, whatever you like. And sprinkle that on. Okay, now you're gonna roll up your dough like a jelly roll. Just take your time, try to get it tight. And I'll come back when I'm finished. Once you have it rolled up, just pinch your ends and flip them over. So just take like an inch and flip it over. And be sure that you seal your seams on the top here. And you're gonna cut these about an inch wide. I use dental floss. Some people use a knife. It's just easier with dental floss. And you just slide it underneath, make an X, and just pull it through. And then you're gonna put them in your pan. So just slide it through, make an X, and pull. And I'll be back when I have all mine done. Okay, you're gonna cover this with plastic. So there's mine. Cover it with plastic And like before, I always use a tea towel to cover it up. You want these to double, so probably like an hour. You don't have to do it tightly, just cover it up. And get a tea towel, wherever mine went. And then I'll be back in an hour. Just let them rise till double. And there's a little trick if you want them to rise faster. Just get a heating pad and set it on low and just put the buns on top of the heating pad, and that will help them rise a little bit faster. Okay, mine are almost doubled. I just started my oven. So, and as soon as my oven's ready, it's 350 for a half hour. Just check them at 25 minutes. And when mine are done, I'll be back. Hi everybody, my timer just went off. So we're gonna take these out. Okay. Now, the hard part is you have to immediately flip them on a platter. And I don't know if my platter is going to be big enough. So hold on and let me get my roasting pan. Okay, got my roasting pan. Let me get my gloves on. Okay, and you have to flip these. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. All right. And there is sticky buns. And I will try one. That's what it looks like in the inside. I know this is going to be so hot. Okay. Heaven. Okay. I gotta bring some of these over to the neighbor. Thank you for subscribing, watching the videos, sharing, liking, and I do have the spaghetti sauce on. So if you watch that video, and I'll be back tomorrow with something else new. Have a nice evening.